Sure. Here's a simple recipe for homemade Chinese-style rice. Ingredients: 2 cups of long-grain white rice, 3 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, salt to taste. Instructions: 1. Rinse the rice. Place the rice in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. This helps remove excess starch from the rice grains. 2. Soak the rice. Transfer the rinsed rice to a bowl and add enough water to cover it. Let it soak for about 30 minutes. Soaking the rice helps to achieve a fluffy texture when cooked. 3. Drain the rice. After soaking, drain the rice in the sieve and let it sit for a few minutes to remove any excess water. 4. Cook the rice. In a large saucepan, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the drained rice and sauté it for a couple of minutes, stirring occasionally. This step helps to keep the grains separate while cooking. 5. Add water and salt. Pour in 3 cups of water and add salt to taste. Stir well. Increase the heat to high and bring the water to a boil. 6. Simmer the rice. Once the water comes to a boil, reduce the heat to low and cover the saucepan with a tight-fitting lid. Let the rice simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until all the water is absorbed and the rice is tender. 7. Fluff the rice. Once the rice is cooked, remove the saucepan from the heat and let it sit, covered, for 5 minutes. Then, use a fork to fluff the rice gently, separating the grains. 8. Serve. Your homemade Chinese-style rice is now ready to be served as a side dish with your favorite Chinese dishes or enjoyed on its own. Note: you can also customize this basic recipe by adding vegetables, spices, or other ingredients to create fried rice or other flavorful variations.